Here we are. It's me, Wilderness Explorer Matty. About to go explore some of these trails. Morning, day 2 in Cali. It's a little cold right now.
Winter out here or something.
Yeah, it's good like 60 degrees
Do this.
Fahrenheit. We're gonna get breakfast real quick, and then in about an hour we're gonna go back to around Yosemite and look at some trees. Breakfast time. Hey. About to head out.
Check my outfit. Outfit check.
Yeah, I mean,
Good.
what you rocking today? Target.
Some Target. This is $5.
Outfit check. Jersey, shorts, shoes, slide. Hey, we're at the squad right now. Hey, someone look here real quick. Oh, we got the cousins. Hey. We got some technical difficulties.
We're lost.
Yeah. The struggle.
It says on the bottom, we're gonna
Got some drama on the vlog.
Mariposa Grove, Yosemite National Park.
So how many miles? It's like 80 miles, right?
84 from here, but we've been driving for a while.
We're in the park right now. Taking a quick little stop. There's a squad. We out here. Here we are. Hey Michelle. We're at Merced Grove Trail. This is where they've got some pretty big trees, aka the giant sequoias.
We out here.
Hey, okay, good. Alright, what you got? Got something to say to the fans? What you gotta say, boy? What you gotta say?
Them Bay Area boys out
Oh,
here.
hey, you know something about that? Okay. I have a walking stick. Kind of exciting. First part of our walk towards the sequoia trees. We're already lost. Yo, my shoes are getting fried. Look at this. Ooh, that's sad. The wilderness boy. We out here. Wilderness girl. She got a little tired right now. I'm tired. Only you can prevent forest fires. What a shame. What a shame.
Ah, naharangan siya.
Hello.
Here we are. It's me, Wilderness Explorer Matty. About to go explore some of these trails. See what they have here. Like what we have back in Australia. We got in front of us mjempleo. She's a wilderness explorer herself. Can you speak in an Australian accent, please?
Good day, mate.
As you can see here, we've got a pine cone. A California pine cone. We don't have those in Texas or in Australia. Here we've got a native chipmunk to California. We don't have this back in Australia. That's crazy. Oh my god. As you look to our right, we've got some red flowers. Oh my god. We've got the giant tree trunk right here with its head cut off. That's crazy. It's probably been there since before the dinosaurs. That's intense. As you see on our right, we got like, oh shit. I fell right there. But we got a giant tree trunk right here that fell down. This is back before when the dinosaurs came. That's intense. Oh my gosh. We found an indigenous species. This guy right here. He's been here since before the caveman. He is a caveman. Before the oh, hey, hit it. Hey, hey. We don't have this back in Australia. That's crazy. Peace, bro. Here we've got some big ass trees. We ain't got these in Australia. Crikey! We don't got these in Australia. I think these been here since the dinosaurs.
They've been here since Jesus, dude.
Damn, that's hella long, bro. The siblings.
Dang.
Wow.
10 years since they've been all together. Actually, no, that's not true.
They're in the Philippines, huh?
In the Philippines.
Family.
Wow.
Damn. It's a big ass tree. It's been an hour and a half. We're running low on supplies. I'm getting tired, losing my energy, losing my faith. I don't know what to do. Gotta keep going though. Gotta keep going for the trees. Here is what we've been waiting for. The giant sequoias. They actually are like super big. Damn. Look at that tree trunk. Ooh. It's just me and Tristan now. We've lost every single person that we've been going with.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do. We're losing bodies by the second. Tristan's gone! I don't know what we're doing. We finally finished walking.
Yeah.
Mom's alive. I didn't think anyone's alive at that point. But we made it. We found...
Kanina pa ba kayo?
Nah, we were, maybe like 15 minutes. But yeah, we made it. They're here. How are you, Mom?
Good.
Yeah, are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't believe you, but okay.
That's it.
Out like a light, hey, like a light.
We just finished Yosemite. I'm taking over Matt's vlog right now. Alright, we out here. Slumped. Damn, my boy slumped right now, man. And we got them over there. Got a driver.
We going to Round Table Pizza.
People from Texas
What
don't know.
is Round Table?
Table's a goat.
I don't know about that Round
On
Table.
that Maui Zowie.
What is that? What, I don't even know what you're saying right now. Is that Cali slang? I don't know. The Wombo Combo. Hey, what's it called again, guys?
Maui
Zowie. Okay.
Can't wait to try it.
Hey, that Maui Zowie, bro.
Flame.
That's next level.
Yes, sir. You know.
Be good now. I'm full. Just took a shower. About to go to sleep. These mosquito bites are pissing me off. Look at that. What the heck? I'm mad. Hopefully if I sleep, it's gonna go away. Just woke up from my nap. So I have these bumps on my freaking forehead. About to go to somebody's house and see people that we don't know, but we're related somehow. There's nothing thing on my forehead. What is on my forehead? I really know what to do, so we're just drinking now. That's what happens when you don't know anyone here. Dinner time.
Hey.
We back at it with Charisse. She was on the last episode.
You're?
We got Charles here. And Renzo. We back at it again. We about to get. I don't know. We're gonna drink tonight. What are we doing?
I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
Okay, I'm sorry right here. Patricia. She made it. She's in Cali now. We're struggling.
Are you good at this part? No.
Struggling.
It's the part I can. Cheers.
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 Therese, what are you doing? Mario, what are you doing? This is my Tito Homer right here. And this is Jen. They're from New Jersey, right?
New Jersey, yep.
Yup. I haven't seen them since like, what, 10 years? At least 10 years, yeah. So, we're having a good time. It's Uncle Manny's birthday. You know how it is. We're taking a bandsaw family picture right now. There's hella people here.
Right now,
My girl Shari right here. And Charles right here too.
we just
Shoot.
tried taking a family picture and it was insane. Like,
There's too many of us. There's at least like 40 of us. Okay, look at Pal right there.
Right now.
Hey Pal! What you gotta say? What you gotta say, boy? We have Renzo right here. He's a god at the guitar.
How long has it been since we've seen each other before this?
Like 10 years, dude. 10 years.
10 years? It's been 10 years?
Yeah, 10 years and you're hella cute now.
Yeah, thank you.
I got my boy Troy right here, right?
What's up?
I'm being...
let me.
Hey, you got a picture? No, sorry. I'm sorry. I was taking videos. And my boy Choco right here. My boy Choco. He be in the Philippines. Hey, I have a lot of Filipino fans. This dude right here, he owns Poblacion.
Nah,
He owns Poblacion, dude.
Let me do it again, hold on.
We need everyone here real quick.
Do this again.
No, your sister.
Yeah. Oh shit. I can't see her. It's too fast.
I passed someone.
One more. Certified Cali
What
boys.
you talking about, pal?
Certified Cali
I'm a
boys. One more.
Cali.
You gotta take one more.
I'm a Cali boy,
Not yet.
baby.
Not yet.
What you gonna say, Joseph? What you gonna say?
I don't know.
It's real big different here, dude.
Hey, we here at the casino real quick. About to lose some money.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
That was good.
Hey, we chilling. Hey, we gambling tonight, baby. Let's get it.
I have
we got
this card.
We got $25 free. Free. What up?
So what's the
Hey.
Oh shoot, my bad.
Oh, we winning hella money right now. You win 2K yet, Angelo?
Nah, I won like $0.
Hey, we wait, quick hit. Oh, I'm making money. Oh yeah, we rich, baby. Let's get it. Oh, I'm banking. Wow, I'm so rich. Wow.
Hey,
Let me get money real
I
quick.
won $10.
She got $1,000. Troy got 2,000. Oh yeah, we rich, baby. What we get? $6.44. I'm balling.
That won $9.
Y'all know me like that.
Thank you.
Yeah, well, I lost $21.
$20.
That was $20.
I won $1.
Hey, we good. Hey, catch y'all tomorrow. Peace. Alright. And now, it's just me and Michelle. We're a little tired. Okay, one more.